Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie, and today I want to go over and set up the fitness portion of my Happy Planner. Yesterday we did the front page and decorated this side, and over here the habits I want to develop are checking in on my finances every day, fitness every day, and establishing a daily routine. Getting up at 6:30, exercising for half an hour, having breakfast and coffee and taking a shower, and just normal stuff, you would think. All right. So then I've done my Franken planning, where my second part of my work planner is for workout, because the main part of my time is going to be at work, and the girls and I have decided that we're going to walk the track once a day, every day. This week is going to be a little crazy. We are not going to have the chance to walk the track every day, you know, and that's fine. That's just the way it goes. Let me first put my name in here, because we don't even know who I am. All I've got are these little alphabets that I've had for years and years. I took all of the alphabets from every sticker book that I had, and I put them together into this one main sticker book of nothing but letters and a few numbers at the end. And it's just, for me, it's easier to have all of my letters in one place, all of my numbers in one place. And I was taking like, oh, I don't have two S's. To me, I had started out taking all of my Christmas ones and putting them in something, and all of my winter ones, stickers, and putting them in one, and all of my summer stickers. But then I found that, you know, I wanted my stickers to kind of match, and it was harder to find all of the matches because I had my books all, you know, mixed in. And then I went and I took them all out of the one book, and thank goodness I had saved the majority of my covers, and I was able to take them and put them back into books that the cover matched. So that's just been more helpful, and I learned from that experience never to do that again. Keep the books like they are. You can tear them apart and put them in the order that you want, and then just put them on a ring, but don't separate your books. All right, so we have the name. January. Sick. So now I just want to date the 5th through the 11th. Happy Planner starts with Monday. That's the only thing that's going to be different with these, between the work and the fitness, is that the work one starts on a Sunday, ends on a Saturday. Happy Planner starts on a Monday, ends on a Sunday. We don't know why. So we just need some numbers. We're just going to take these here big ones, put them up here, call that a day. And then when I work out, I will log it in here. I want to also log what I eat. I've downloaded the MyFitnessPal app, and I just use the free version of it. And I log what I eat every day. It will connect automatically to my watch. So it automatically says, oh, you've taken 100 steps today, you know, whatever. And got real confused there. I was like, where's the 10? Don't have one of those. You have to make those. In this video, I will show you my equipment that I ordered for my home to use that I want to get on at least once a day. My goal is to get 10,000 steps a day. If I only get 6,000 steps at work, I want to come home, get on my walking pad and walk that extra 4,000 steps. So this is not anything that really is going to be decorated at this point. I need to establish my routine, but I just wanted to show you that it is ready to go, and I want to give you a quick tour of my 2 new pieces of equipment in my home. Let's go look at that. Alright, so I finally cleaned this corner of my bedroom right before I got sick, so that was good to come back around to a nice clean house. But I've got my weights over here. This is the rowing machine. I've got it standing up because the cat will get on this seat and scratch it and make me very angry, and I just can't have him doing that. But it has an LCD readout that tells you the distance, time, calories you're burning, stuff like that. It goes from 1 to 16. We'll see what that's like. But that's my first piece. Haven't even gotten on it yet. Very sad. My son put it together while I was sick. On this side, it's a bit more messy. This is my sick side, so I've got socks all over the floor where I get hot. And, yeah. But this is my bike, my stationary bike. And you can see here where the cat has destroyed. Yeah, he's just a jerk, man. So, yeah. That's what I do not want to happen to my new items. So that will be done one night a week. This great thing at the foot of my bed has been here the whole time I've been sick. I laid it over my bed to dry, and I was going to put it away that night, and ended up in the bed and never got up again. But this is my mattress pad, so I'm going to strip all of my sheets and Lysol and put that on and put fresh sheets on. But I also put my weight bench down here at the foot of my bed, and I covered it because guess what? It's another spot the cat likes to claw up. So we cover it so he won't be tempted. And that way I can do my free weights. I can, you know, do bench presses or, yeah, right, that's a joke. Whatever I can do, we're going to do it there. Okay? Alrighty then. So I took everything down from Christmas. It's all barren and sad. But this is my walking pad, and why do I have the box over it? Because I have a stupid cat. So there's the walking pad itself. It plugs in. This handlebar can come up if you want it to come up to hold on to, which I might do in the beginning. Here's what it looks like. But you can manually incline it. It doesn't go up by itself, but it has an incline, it says, of 15%. And you stick like these rubber boots on it and help it to incline and yeah, whatever. So we're going to do that like once a night. And I left it down here because I thought I could, you know, watch TV while I walk. We're going to see. I did get all of my plants watered. The ones that I have left. I did go through and patch all the holes from where I was hanging them on the wall. I'm going to have to sand that down and repaint. We're just waiting to see who wants to revive and who needs to be replaced. But a few of them have perked up. A few of them are just, you know, what you doing, Bobo? A few of them are just really sad. This one I really don't want anymore. It's one of those white knights or white wizards or white... It's huge. I can't. I put my boys' candlesticks on the table. And then I just have my ring of fire that seemed to stand back up again. So she seems to be pretty happy. She might be getting eaten by something. His name is Blaze. This, I don't know if he's gonna make it. We don't know. All this is just coming off real easy. Okay. Well, that one wants to stay. So we'll see if this one does anything. I'm sure the cat came through and knocked that over. Oh. And I chopped down my silver sword. I don't want it. So that has to go. This really turned colors over the winter. My Florida green, emerald green rip curl. My money tree is doing really well. Better than he's ever done. And then this is my philodendron bronze. He seems to be coming back. When these leaves start, they're a bronzy color, and then they go into this deep green color. But he's really a crawler, and so I need to find another home for him because I'm not. We're not. Thanks. We just like upright, simple, not going everywhere. I don't know. I don't know what this one is. This one might be a crawler. Yep, might be. She might have to go too. Anyway. And then over here, I have my Thanksgiving cactus, which has poked back up. My Palmer palm, I think it is. Yeah, he was really sad, so he's looking much better. These have done just fine. My what is it called? Can't think of the name of it now. Anyway, this one, we hope is going to be fine. My rubber tree is done just fine. That burro's tail is fine. My cactus and everything, my jade, this is fine. This was a little droopy and puckered up, but he's got water now. My Beatier is just beautiful. We love her. She's my absolute, well, no, my second favorite. And then this is a lipstick plant. Oh, we don't know if she's going to make it. My aloe plant looks sad. This perked back up, Chinese aglaonema. And my Kalanchoe is perking up my tortum, philodendron tortum. And this is doing fine. And I've got some up there. They seem to be doing well. So, yeah, I just take my 5-gallon bucket, fill it with water, and then I put 50 drops of water conditioner, plant, and shrimp formula. I got it from the pet store in the fish section. And put 50 drops of that in there, and then I fill this bucket halfway, and I'll just put half my plants in it, let them sit for 15-20 minutes, put another half in. By then the water's all sucked up, not much left, and I have to take it outside and dump it now. That looks like trash, should have gone out. This was a red Anthurium. I don't think that's what it was called. It was something. We got it in Myrtle Beach, and it was horrible. Never did well for me at all. We got them on clearance, so they had a, bad against them going into it, but no, they did not. And that's about all the plants I have left. So, thinking about moving this over to there and moving that back behind the sofa. I liked it when it was behind the sofa because it just gave me another surface to decorate. Alright guys, that is it for this edition of Living Loopy with Leslie. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't, hit subscribe. I'd love to have you here along with my other friends on my little corner of the internet. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, bye-bye.